Performance TV coming from Borla Commerce Park.
Welcome back to Performance TV. You know, the 1977 Pontiac Trans Am, driven by the Bandit and Smokey and the Bandit, is one of my favorite cars of all time. So you know, I was super excited when Bradley from 1245 Graphix brings a hood in here, and we're going to use the AP Lazer on it. We're going big today.
Yes, so AP Lazer actually allows you to do huge things because of the open architecture. As you can see, a lot of lasers would not allow you to put a 77 Trans Am hood and make it into Smokey and the Bandit theme.
Absolutely. The Screamin' Chicken, one of the coolest logos in all of automotive, all of motorsports, and we are lasering one into the hood. How did we set this up?
So we have what we call a carriage cart, or basically a dolly, that we sit these large items on and just roll it underneath. We level the laser head to whatever we're lasering, and that's done by these four corners, and that allows you to do these odd objects. We have different sets of lenses, so you can actually adjust for curvature, just like we all know hoods have curves. So you can adjust for that and compensate, and you don't have anything to worry about with the AP Lazer.
Now, we know the laser can do the job, and we're seeing it work, but it's not just the laser, it's the customer service and the community behind it. Talk a little bit about your company, 1245 Graphix.
So 1245 Graphix was born out of the basement of my house. We started very small, and we grew and grew and grew into what we are today. But what we always focus on is customer service. And we expect that from the companies we do business with, because machines aren't necessarily the cheapest in the world to be able to do quality, so we want that customer service, and AP Lazer is able to give that to us. Technical support 24/7, you call them at midnight, and hey, you get somebody on the phone right then and there, and you can have your problem fixed and back at it. That was our biggest selling point for AP Lazer.
Now we're at 1245 AM. Now you've got some other stuff that you did, some gas caps. I see one from our sister show, Motorhead Garage, a license plate holder. It allows you to really run wild with your imagination.
Yes, if you take a look at the gas caps, it doesn't matter if it's just bare aluminum, bare steel. You can still etch on that with a special substance. You can take paint off, you can powder coat and then etch away the powder coat. You can even layer different colors with masking and painting, and it's a process, but you can do amazing things with the AP Lazer that you might not be able to with others.
I love the idea that you can do something really big. I know you guys had the DeSoto project, you guys have done some hot rods, and you're very automotive with this.
Yes, all the way from valve covers, oil caps, gas caps, air covers, even metal tumblers, because you still have to have a drink while you're driving down the road. It doesn't matter what you're doing with the AP Lazer. You can venture into many different markets, and if you want a side gig, AP Lazer can provide you a little extra income on the back end.
I like it, and it looks like our Screamin' Chicken is coming out real well. And just like that,
yep,
I'm excited.
Oh, I am as well. All right, 1, 2.
And there it is.
There we go. Now all we've got to do is clean it up a little bit, just like with anything. And there's a bunch of things we can do with this. A paint fill into those areas. Obviously, it needs to be cleaned up because it just had a laser run over it, so we need to clean it.
But the idea that you can just let your mind and imagination run wild in terms of creativity. We just did the hood of a car.
A hood of a car, and it's all thanks to the open architecture of AP Lazer.
Now, this is something that we've seen, big products, small products, automotive, creativity, but in the end though, the ability to have people at the other end of a phone line or a community of people who are doing what you're doing, that's got to put it over the top.
Oh yeah, so you have a huge Facebook network of people who are always there for help, ideas to bounce off of each other to help your business grow, and you always have that technical support 24/7, and it all goes back to emotional marketing, which is just customizing something for someone. Now you've got a hood, you can do their valve covers, oil caps, air covers, everything just for that single person.
No, that's perfect. You can brand a whole car, something special, something unique. Bradley, you guys have done a great job here. 1245 Graphix. I love your specialty. I love what you're doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'll tell you what, if you love it too, you're going to want to hit the website, aplazer.com, and for Performance TV viewers, they've got a special discount, aplazer.com/TV. Hit it up. You're going to love it. And we've got more show to come as well. We'll be back with more Performance TV after this.